Hi, I'm Dr. Christopher Lisi, Chief of Otolaryngology Head and Neck Surgery at Richmond University Medical Center on Staten Island, New York. Today I'll be seeing a patient in my outpatient clinic with a suspicious left base of tongue lesion that I'm going to biopsy with the Ambu disposable RhinoLaryngo Interventional scope. This is a fantastic new piece of technology that we've adopted at our practice here on Staten Island from Ambu. As you can see, this is a disposable single-use distal chip scope. The advantage of having a disposable scope is tremendous for me in the office. Procedures that I would have normally done in the operating room, I may be able to do right in the comfort of my own office. A patient may be able to avoid a trip to the operating room and avoid the potential complications of anesthesia. And I may be able to take a biopsy of a concerning lesion the same day as a patient comes for their initial office visit. From an operational and workflow perspective, this has drastically increased the efficiency of my practice as I no longer need to sterilize scopes between patients and procedures. I could just use the disposable scope, and this frees up my staff to do other things in my office. By keeping some of these patients in my office for biopsies, I can allocate valuable operating room time to other patients and potentially higher reimbursing procedures. Financially speaking, the use of a disposable scope has benefited my practice. Reusable interventional scopes are expensive, and it's hard to justify the cost based on the number of monthly procedures done. I would almost certainly have to have hired an additional staff member in order to clean scopes if I didn't have these disposable scopes. Having access to the Ambu interventional scope has drastically improved my practice, especially starting a new practice on Staten Island during the pandemic. This scope has an image quality that rivals a reusable scope. It makes financial sense for my practice, and it's safe for my patients. I've had many patients ask me about the sterility of scopes, and it has really eased their minds when I tell them that this is a single-use disposable scope. I look forward to partnering with Ambu in the future as they continue to innovate.